day, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are starting off your week in a beautiful way. So before I get started into this video, stay tuned at the end of this video to see how you can win some NARS goodies. I absolutely adore NARS, so it's going to be your chance to win some goodies at the end of this video. Hope you guys really like this video. It's one of my favorite looks of all time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos and giveaways. Until next time, enjoy the video. But before I get started, what do you guys think about this background? Let me know, should I stay here? Should I do what I was doing before? I just thought I'd do something a bit different, so let me know in the comments below. So if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I went to a NARS event 2 days ago and they came up with this beautiful, amazing new foundation. I had the opportunity to give it a try and I absolutely fell in love with it. So this is what it looks like. It's called the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And how cute is this packaging? So I'm going to go ahead and give this a try for the first time on my channel. Go ahead and tap it in. My skin has been quite good to me recently, and I think it's because I've been drinking a lot more water, but it's been a minute since I've used a beauty blender. Oh my gosh, if I can say so myself, doesn't this foundation look amazing? Okay NARS, I see you. I'm actually loving how this turned out. What? Before I continue on with this face, I want to talk to you guys about a brand that I've been loving recently. Actually about three and a half weeks ago I started using hair went in my mouth. 3 to 4 weeks ago I started using this brand and I absolutely fell in love with it. So I've decided from now on I'm going to share brands that I absolutely am obsessed with only on this channel, called Boost Brow and Boost Lash. It looks like this. How cute is this packaging? So many people have asked me, oh, are you wearing fake lashes when I'm not? And I'm like, no, I'm not, but I'll tell you why. I actually have 3 products. One is called Boost Lash. Now what Boost Lash does is that you apply it with a mascara wand, which it comes with just like this, right before you apply your mascara, and it automatically makes your eyelashes look more voluptuous because it is a serum. It elongates your lashes, it makes them so much more full, thicker and longer. I like about this product is that you can use it by itself or you can use it with mascara afterwards. It's as simple as that. And their Boost Brow is the same thing but for your eyebrows. Now as you can see, a lot of people I guess have this issue. They tend to lose brows, the top section over here. You want to have an even eyebrow hair range thing going on, you definitely want to use something like this. You apply a tiny bit before bedtime and then you sleep and you wake up and it kind of grows every single day. All you would have to do is kind of comb through your brows. Once again, I will do this before bed. I just want to demonstrate to you guys, just so you guys know. See how a little tiny steps can literally change your appearance, so you definitely want to make sure you do this every day to see results. And the other thing I really do like about them is that they are cruelty free and they do use natural ingredients and products to create these. Go ahead and check them out. I'll be linking them below, and I'm also going to be doing a full blog post on them, so I'm going to be linking the blog post below as well. Before I go ahead and do my shadow and things like that, I'm going to go ahead and apply this just so it dries right in time for my mascara. Now use it as a regular mascara and you apply it. Just make sure it's even. I also want to do a tiny bit to the bottom area because obviously I want my bottom eyelashes to grow as well. Hello. I'm going to let that set. It's going to dry in like 5 seconds. The good thing about this is that it also conditions your lashes as well. So you know when you get that dry feeling and then your lashes tend to fall out, you're not going to get this. They also have a third lash product which is great for growth. Now the other one that I showed you is great for volumizing your actual lashes. Now this one is for the lash bed, and all you have to do is start from the top and then kind of just like you would like an eyeliner, and right where your lashes grow, and you want to apply this right before bedtime. I know a lot of people don't think about lashes and brows and the growth and things like that, but you definitely have to pay attention for them to grow, obviously. Continuing on with the makeup look, I'm going to be going ahead and using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. Now I'm in color, they actually color match me, medium 1 custard. I'm just going to apply a tiny bit before I go ahead and I do my shadow. I feel like this foundation is so good I wouldn't even probably need concealer if I were to be completely honest with you. I am going to be using this brand new NARS palette. This isn't a sponsored video by NARS, by the way. I wish it was NARS if you're watching, but I absolutely love their stuff, and they came out with this 1:1 cheek palette. Firstly, the packaging, love. Ooh, love me some fresh palettes. It looks like these. Like these colors literally speak to me, you guys, just on a very deep emotional way. So I'm going to go ahead and create a base. I'm going to be using this beautiful pink shadow and this one. Oh, they don't even have names. Okay. I'm going to be using this one, you guys. What a beautiful base tone. I love me some pink shadows. I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful pink. I'm going to concentrate on the outer corner for this color and slightly bring it in. I am so hot that you can see my veins everywhere, even on my lid area. Jesus Christ, Lilian. That's how pale I am. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this beautiful purple tone, and I'm going to, ooh, it is so pigmented. I'm gonna pat it down just in the inner corner of my lid. Can you guys see how pigmented that is? Why are my lips so chapped? I'm so sorry you have to look at me this way. But nothing's helping. I don't know. Am I low on vitamins? I don't know what's going on. Now to finish off the look, I'm going to be using this beautiful shimmer. I think you can use this as a highlighter as well. And I'm just going to be tapping that in the middle area of my eye, just to create some dimension and contrast. It's such a simple, easy look, you guys. Go ahead and blend the concealer in. Okay, I'm going to be going ahead and using the same Sigma E45 brush. I'm going to be getting this beautiful light color, mixing a bit with this, and just applying a tiny bit to the bottom area of my lashes. Oh, I feel like I am so awake. Okay. Just to set everything, I'm going to be going ahead and using my Kat Von D translucent powder. Now that my brows are dry, I'm going to be going ahead and using my Maybelline Total Temptation just to slightly fill them in. Nothing too crazy. Now for the bronzer, I'm going to be using my Morphe 9BZ palette. I'm a big fan of this palette. I'm going to go ahead and mix the darkest shades together and just slightly. I feel like I always have to hold my cheek to do this part. It feels so put together when you're like heads up in a bun, you're like dressed. I mean, not that you'll be naked, but you have makeup on. Don't you just feel like you can conquer the world? Now for my favorite part before the mascara and lip, I'm going to go ahead and put this beautiful, amazing highlight on. This is NARS Albatross. Oh my god, I made my NARS palette dirty. I hate when that happens. This, I believe, came out 2 days ago. So this is like fresh off the boat, first impression type of video as well. I'm going to apply a tiny bit. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, NARS. Okay. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be going ahead and using the Voluptuous Superstar X Fiber Mascara by L'Oreal. This is pretty much like a first impressions video as well with this product. Which one do I use first? L'Oreal. Okay, and this is just step one. I'll go ahead and put number 2. Oh my god. Okay, L'Oreal. For the lip, I'm going to be going ahead and using one of my favorite brands ever, Smashbox, and this one is in Thrill Seeker. Oh my gosh, you guys, this color combo, love. I never would think to put like pink on like this orange look, but I'm loving it so far. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh, I'm actually truly loving this look. Yay. I hope you guys really did like this look as much as I love it so much. I just feel so put together. Like I feel like I should walk into an office in New York and just like boss people around, which I will never do, but you know, I just feel powerful in that way. So as I also mentioned in every single one of my videos, I'm going to be doing a giveaway to give back, because I wouldn't be doing what I do if it wasn't for you beautiful people. So for this giveaway, are you guys ready in what you'll be receiving? Are you ready? Take a seat. Receiving this beautiful Narcissus package with 2 lip kits, and they're 2 of my favorite colors ever. You know I'm a big fan of NARS, clearly, so I decided to give this away. These are just recently coming out. They actually sent it to us 2 days ago, which is like fresh off the shelves. I don't even think it's in stores currently. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is subscribe to my channel. So subscribe, press the subscribe button and do the notifications tick so you can be notified ASAP when a video comes out. Just comment below what you are grateful for in your life. It could be anything. It can be food, it can be your dog, it can be your best friend. Just comment below what you're grateful for, and please thumbs up this video. And the last thing to enter is to follow me on Instagram at Lilian Tahmasian. That's all you have to do. Subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and comment below what you are grateful for, and follow me on Instagram. It's as simple as that, and you'll be in the draw to win this. As I mentioned, with every single one of my giveaways, I'm going to be announcing the winner in 7 days, so stay tuned and follow me on Instagram to see who the winner is. And good luck. Now please don't forget to go ahead and click the description more button below so you can see exactly the products that I used in this makeup tutorial. Until next time, I love and adore you guys so much. Keep smiling. Bye.